My name is John McGaw, and I work in MFG. I'm a beam saw operator. Dissonance is I think it's when like when music is not rhythmic, is not in rhythm or whatever. So the hummingbird is supposed to be like a moving, fast and colorful image, but this is a still and a black and white, so it's kind of like not what it's supposed to be, not in rhythm. It's just kind of a different interpretation of a hummingbird. I made like wired hummingbirds, little mini wired hummingbirds, and I was trying to capture like a stillness of hummingbirds, but also movement, which is kind of complex to do. So one day I accidentally had a flashlight and I came on the wall and I saw the shadow and it had like cool design, and then I was like, yeah, that looks cool. So I drew that, and that's what that's based off of. I like that people have different interpretations of it. Like me, what I like about it most is the line work and just the different ways that it kind of flows and then meshes with together. But other people have connections with hummingbirds, so they really enjoy looking at it, and other people think it's just an interesting way to look at hummingbirds. So I think it's just cool to get different reactions. I've never seen my digital artwork printed before, so I'm excited to see how that looks and compare it to like the other drawings that I have. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.